Everyone, today I'm going to explain about partnership firm. So first, in simple meaning, partnership means when two or more people enter into a contract or agreement for the purpose of starting the business with the view to share the profit and losses equally. That is partnership. Now let's see the meaning of partnership. Partnership is a kind of business where a formal agreement between two or more people agree to be the co-owners, distribute responsibilities for running an organization, and share the income and losses that the business generates. So, this is the meaning whereby two or more people enter into an agreement to start the business for the purpose of earning profit or loss and equally discharging their duties and responsibilities for running an organization. Next, let's see the definition of partnership. Indian Partnership Act 1932. This is a very important definition. So, Indian Partnership Act was established on 1st October 1932. So, under this act, an agreement is made between two or more persons who agrees to operate the business together and distribute the profit they gain from the business. So, this definition clearly tells when two or more persons agrees to enter into the contract because to operate the business and distribute the profit and losses equally that they receive or that they gain from the business. This is the definition of partnership. Now let's see the features of partnership one by one. So first feature is agreement between partners. So a partnership can be formed by an agreement between two persons. So minimum two persons are required to form a partnership. In case of banking business and 20 persons in case of non-banking. So the agreement between the partners may be oral or it can be written. It is always better and best to have a written agreement between the partners because to avoid any conflicts and disputes. So that is the first feature. Now let's go to the second feature, two or more persons. So as I have already told, to start a partnership firm, two or more persons are required. Minimum two partners are required to start the partnership, and partners with the intention of achieving the same goal, they should start the partnership firm. So the partners should have equal goal. Next is sharing of profit. So the partnership is formed for the purpose of gaining profit. So sharing of profit is a very important feature in case of partnership. So the partners, how many of our partners are there? They must share their profits equally in the agreed ratio in the agreement or profits equally. So this is the third important feature. Next, let's see the fourth important feature. Business motive. So partnership, it is formed for the purpose of business motive. It should be purely business motive and for the purpose of earning profit. Next is mutual business. So all the partners are responsible for their acts in the partnership. So mutual business means all the partners who are involved in the partnership, they are responsible for the acts that they perform. In case of partnership, they are considered as the owner of the business. So if any unethical act is performed by one partner, so all the partners gets affected. So any acts performed by one partner affects the other partners. So this is the fifth important feature. Now let's see. The sixth important feature is unlimited liability. Unlimited liability means the liabilities of partners in case of partnership is unlimited. So each and every partner's liability is unlimited. So partners are individually and jointly liable for the firm. So this means they have the rights to sell out their personal assets or properties for the payment of debts in case of partnership. So the personal assets of partners can also be liquidated and sold out to meet the liabilities and debts of the firm. In case if any debts or liabilities are incurred in the partnership firm, they are responsible to liquidate their personal assets. Liquidate means sell off their personal assets and pay for the payment of the debts. So this is the sixth important feature. Next is principal agent relationship. Partnership, the firm can be carried the partnership firm may be carried by one partner or all partners. Either one person or one partner can be held responsible, or he might be in charge of partnership firm, or all the partners may be in charge of partnership firm. Either one partner may take over, may be responsible for the partnership firm. So one partner may be the leader or the principal, and the other partners who are under him may be the agent. So they develop a principal agent relationship. So under principal agent relationship, every partner is responsible for firm and other partners. So each and every partner is responsible for the firm and for the firm's transactions. So this is principal agent relationship. So these are the features of partnership. Now let's study the advantages of partnership. So first point is easy formation. So partnership can be formed very easily. Minimum 2 persons are required to form partnership, and it requires it requires only 2 persons. So it's very easy to form. There are no complicated procedures. Just a written agreement is required to form between the partners is required to form partnership. Large resources. So large resources, so each and every partner is required to contribute their own resources to form their partnership. In case of sole proprietorship, only one person can contribute his resources to the firm. But in case of partnership, every partners can contribute their own resources. So it leads to large resources. Next is flexibility. So the partnership can undergo, or the partnership can get adapted to the changes as and when it is required based on the situations. That is, the partners can be able to adapt to changes easily. Next is sharing risk. So in case of partnership, each and every partner shares their risk equally. They are liable to share their risk equally. Next is combination of different skills. So each partner's skills, knowledge, talent is applied into the partnership firm to achieve the desired results. So hope so you guys have understood the concept. Thank you.